Here we have a router, but since it's difficult to see if it's on or off, we're going to use this fake router with a lamp inside, and its 4 outlet indicator lights to show which outlet is turned on. Note that the link and act LEDs are blinking. We're going to simulate a frozen router by unplugging the LAN cable. When this happens, the rebooter can no longer ping the router, and after 5 or so attempts to ping the router, the rebooter should then turn off the router and turn it back on. And soon it should turn it off. Here we go. And it should turn it back on. Let's go ahead and plug the LAN cable back in the rebooter. This is called a Powercycle, and this is how technicians fix frozen routers on site. Even the best routers are not immune to software errors and power surge issues. Next time, let's take a look at an in-depth tutorial on the firmware setup. Thanks for watching.